Hello everyone. Some of you were asking if I could share the coloring books that are out now for the season. I do find that they put out more coloring books this time of year. There's a cute little LOL one. If you're putting them together for, now it's too squished and I can't get it in here. I want to show you the Dr. Seuss one. They have Crayola crayons as well and pencil crayons here. So if you wanted to put together a nice gift, you can kind of theme it out. But look at this. Dr. Seuss has a whole bunch of stuff too as well in the teaching department. You can put together a beautiful package. But I really like these two. Some more coloring and activity book. It's a little bit squished in here and I don't want to start making too much of a mess. Toy Story. They have a large coloring book. Sometimes they have the large Crayola coloring books, but those tend to sell the fastest. Prayer cards. And kind of like positive little affirmation prayer cards. That's nice. What are some ways you use these accordion files? Oh my gosh, these self-sealing envelopes are new. Another find that I haven't seen at other Dollar Trees. I'm not familiar with this brand. Maybe somebody else's. Lots of makeup here, but I don't really see anything too new. Most of the things, the Ione, yes, some stuff is newer because they were mostly eyelashes, right? This is a nice little sugar lip scrub by LA Colors. I love this. Works so well with faux nails. I spotted this line of, I guess, like cookie and cake decorating, icing, etc. all at Walmart, and here it is as well. It's the Twinkle line. But yeah, just check on the expiry dates. Every so often I find a new fantastic cleaning product at Dollar Tree, and I'm not familiar with this line here, so if anyone has any feedback, I'd love to hear some. I have a toilet bowl cleaner. I heard really good things on this one. I haven't tried it myself, I don't think. I tried the really tall blue one and it was fantastic, but I don't see it here anymore. I thought I'd show you some of the containers just in case you're making cookies and need storage for Christmas stuff. But by the way, does anyone know if the Dollar Tree containers in the Christmas aisle are BPA free? That's been one of the questions I've had from a few of you. I just wanted to go down this area as well. And just something I don't normally come down is this way. These liners are great, even for the refrigerator. I sometimes use this clear shelf liner as a transfer tape when I'm doing Cricut crafts, and it works really well with the vinyl. I don't know if anyone needs it. Are these new here? I was thinking of buying some Dixie cups to do little chocolate mold cups to make like a hot chocolate type DIY, but I'm not convinced yet. Just a heads up, they do have bonus packs right now. Just a quick thing here in the cleaning aisle that they have this new rubber head, and I've heard really good things from some of you. You've said it picks up pet hair, etc. really well on the carpets or rugs. So if anyone has any feedback, always feel free to share. It helps one another, either to find a good cleaning tool or to avoid purchasing something that might not work. This chamois here, has anyone used it? I always look at it. The cleaning towels, they're microfiber. I'm not a fan of them. I just find that they're a bit of a lint and hair picker upper. This looks interesting. What do you think of these little candles? They're nutcrackers, so they have a variety of colors. It looks like red, green, and that white creamy color. They're all holding a different thing. As you can see, here's a little Christmas tree. One's holding a drum. So cute. Oh, these are nice. So this is the first Dollar Tree that I found these, and I absolutely love them for paper crafts. I deconstruct them and I reuse them and take them apart. And so I'm going to take a look, I think, and I'm going to grab a gingerbread pack because I would love to make a gingerbread themed pocket letter, and I think these would be perfect for that. Oh, I also love these sticker books too for it. I'll take stickers and then I'll use 3D tape and from the craft aisle, and you can make really nice embellishments. How gorgeous are these gift boxes? By the way, have you seen these? This Dollar Tree has such a wonderful selection of picks. This is new. Cinnamon Toast Crunch. I'm going to have to make that for the kids. I always like having something in the pantry for a quick. I keep looking for gingerbread sprinkles, but has anyone had any luck finding? I don't see any. I keep hoping that they'll have them. Like the little angels look like gingerbread sometimes. I'm so happy to find this. So, not for the tree, but I think it would look so cute attached to a clear gift bag. Just like a minimalist type gift. They have metal. It's a metal hanger. Any other things that you're using this garland string for? Aren't the trees pretty this year too? They have such a great selection. These are new. I've never seen Starburst gummy duos. I love these gummies. They're really good. If you haven't tried them, highly recommend them. This is new in the in the bath section, like toiletry section, but it's made for kids, I guess. And they also have Suave. That brings me right back to the 90s. And they have these little Pantene 3-minute conditioner or treatment. Just seeing some novelty stuff here in the checkout. I thought I'd share them with you. I hope you enjoyed walking through Dollar Tree with me today. I'll leave you with a quick DIY using some Dollar Tree material and also the Cricut cutting machine to transfer on some vinyl onto a little piece of wood as an ornament. I hope that this inspires you. Again, thank you so much for watching, and until next time, everyone, bye for now. Summer is ended, the leaves are turning brown. Soon they'll be falling down. Now, I'm not ready, not just yet. I'm not ready for autumn. Autumn comes too soon. Autumn comes too soon. The line